Can't leave Spidey out. All right, Spider-Man. The hands are wide, regular wide, not extra wide, okay? So your wrist is below your shoulder. Very impressive. Yeah, a little wider. Here's a perfect. 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 Okay, it's gonna look like this. You're gonna breathe in, blow out, knee comes out, and push. These work your booty, your Buddha. These are awesome for your core. Excellent for your chest, shoulders, back, triceps. You can get some biceps. Keep going, girl. Looking good. We're alternating that knee. Make sure y'all's knees are not too narrow. Have them under your hips. Okay? And that knee comes out. Push. Breathe in. You're going to blow out. Breathe in as you come down. Blow out. Nice. And blow out. Awesome. Keep going. Breathe in. And blow out. Let's do one more on each side. Woo! One more. And push. Rest. Nice. Good work. Okay.